Hey guys, Gabe from the Minnesota Airsoft Association. We're at Twin Cities Airsoft, and we are at their new two-story tower, which I'll flip the camera. This tower is between Mayhem. That's Mayhem. Here's this other truck that a lot of people will recognize. There's the chopper in the distance. And here's this new two-story tower. It is gorgeous. It is blocked off today. It is Saturday, May 16th, 2026. The intention is to have this ready for GAG. I think this will be really interesting to see how this plays. So look for more news from Twin Cities Airsoft, especially around their GAG rules as well, because they might have specific rules for how to eliminate this two-story structure.